Even though we know that children make up stories, even though we know that police are supposed to be impartial and just fact finders, the truth is this, that when allegations are made against someone of child molestation, the police immediately believe that child. The police will do anything possible to conjure up a case against that suspect. One of the primary investigative tools of police officers investigating sexual molestation cases is called a pretext call. That's when the police will have the accuser call the suspect and attempt to elicit a confession or damning statements. And the suspect does not know that the police are on that line recording the conversation. And that's why it's so critical not to have any conversation with the accuser. And another conversation you should never engage in is with the police themselves. When I was a police investigator investigating child molestation cases, I would immediately go to the suspect's house, whether it was in the morning, night, even 10 o'clock at night. And I would go to them and say, hey, listen, I'm sorry to bother you. I have to talk to you. There's been an allegation made against you by person X. Frankly, I don't believe it, but I have a boss. I have to be able to talk to you. I have to get your side. It's important. You want to get in front of this so I can let the DA know, listen, there's nothing there. By doing that and approaching it in that aspect, in that way, I want to make that person's guard come down so they think that I'm on their side. So they'll talk to me to get a statement from them that's inconsistent with the physical evidence that the DA can use in the prosecution of this case to ensure a conviction. Even if you deny it, the police are going to try to trip you up. They're going to look for inconsistencies, and they're going to do whatever they can to show that your statement is false. You can never, ever help yourself by talking to the police.